The world in the 21st century faces so many problems which are complicated.
I expect the digital transformation of life to bring huge changes from science to healthcare to sensors to robotics.
Globalization means that the issues are interdependent with each other across borders. So it's a huge enterprise to deal with that. How do you bring together and bring forward new ideas that have both the depth to deal with the technical issues and the breadth to deal with all the linkages across the world?
The World Economic Forum brings us together, gives us the space to think over issues that are tremendously complicated with experts in other areas.
Everybody is a leader in their own field. We actually learn a lot from them.
We have members from practitioners, regulators, academia, central banks that can really work in an unconstrained environment together.
This is unique. There is no other gathering like this for bringing different perspectives together.
It's a wonderful opportunity to cross-pollinate ideas and come together to look at where we want to go as a society.
And we develop a vision, how could the world look like, and then we derive some other different scenarios so that we can derive some call for actions.
When we come together as a summit, we can grab experts from other parts of the world, from other groups, and really get a better sense of the issue. They're an incubator for all of these different ideas and solutions that global leaders discuss at Davos.